Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to cancel your Boomplay subscription. You see, to do this, the method depends on how you initially subscribe. If you subscribe to the Google Play Store, then you go to Google Play Store, tap on the menu icon, usually the three horizontal lines at the top left corner, tap on subscriptions, find Boomplay or list of subscriptions, and tap on cancel subscription. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. If you subscribe to Apple Play Store, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, tap on your Apple ID at the top, your name and your profile picture. Tap on subscriptions, find Boomplay in the list, tap on cancel subscription, confirm your cancellation. If you subscribe via SMS, especially in Nigeria with MTN, check the SMS short code you use to subscribe. Send an unsubscribed SMS to that same short code. The unsubscribe command is often no, followed by a specific code for a subscription type, e.g. no BMSM or no BMBPM. Alternatively, you might be able to manage your subscription by dialing a specific USSD code like *447# and following the prompt. Important for you to note that cancellation before the renewal date. It should be at least 24 hours to avoid being charged for the following subscription period. Cancelling usually means you are disabling auto renewal. You will typically still have access to the premium features until the end of your current subscription period. Generally, there are no refunds. And check your account after cancelling to confirm that the subscription has indeed been cancelled and that auto renewal is turned off.